So this one says it's drinking chocolate, so we'll see. How is it?
It's good.
We're stocking up here. Got some gifts for my friend who's watching Romans, our dog, while we're gone. Some chocolate for my best friends here. Some chocolate,
that chocolate tea that was really
We tried
good.
the chocolate tea. We didn't film it. We were too distracted.
It was good.
Yeah. So I got a drink here at, where are we? Cafe Barista. Which I didn't realize it was going to be carbonated, but... yeah, maybe not for me. Yeah, this is Shushu's now. You're not a huge fan of it either.
Yeah.
Wow.
No, not with carbonated drinks or anything like that.
Oops. We also got this acrylic painting. We have a travel wall at home to take home with us. New outfit over here. You're so cute.
Thinking, can we keep it in secret? Don't put that girl up here.
Aprons, ready to go.
I see the stars in your eyes when I look into it. You're so amazing, girl. I picture you so perfect in me. Don't gonna write the pistols, no, not the pistols. I mean, you watch your moves and the way your body moves, baby. And Antigua, posing it up like I'm straight. I'm loving the way you play, can I call you baby?
So I just put cocoa nibs. Mark is gonna put coffee. Half coffee, half pecan?
Yes.
Okay.
Ahí está, ahí ya.
¿Por qué no? Cacao. Yeah, cocoa seed. Yeah, it doesn't taste like chocolate. I just heard someone say it in Spanish. It's soccer tea.
That inside is so bitter.
Yeah,
Oh well.
it's so good.
This time it's fermented cacao seed.
And dried.
Dried.
Do you like it? No. So bitter. Okay, the next process is the roasting process. After they grind the beans, and after they have a paste. And for example, the woman Maya used this paste for a base of the paste.
And this is the chocolate that we made at the beginning. So this is jamón serrano. We are getting tapas, so we'll have 3 more of these coming out. 3 more small plates. Wow, that's so good. I haven't had Spanish ham in so long. Oh my gosh. This has gotta be like a jamón ibérico. Literal, like, I don't even know how many years, like 5 maybe. And this one is lamb with yogurt.
Wow.
Now we have the Manchego cheese. Mark is trying the patatas bravas, which I described to him as I literally forget what they are, but I ate these in Spain and I liked them.
And I like them now too.
This is
Very
what they
good.
are. And I'm like, oh yeah, that looks right. I ate this. Okay. So we did a little bit of shopping. I already showed off Mark's shirt in the store, but the other store that we bought from, the changing room, was so tiny, and the store was more of like a street stall, I guess. So fashion show is now. We wanted to do a video of tasting Guatemalan snacks that we got from the store, but with the whole stomach flu and thing, that did not really happen. But we're gonna try this strawberry mango drink and see how this is. It's good. I don't know if I love the aftertaste. Maybe. I feel like it's more strawberry than mango, but you give it a try.
I mean, I already tried it.
Oh, you did? Oh, well, you want to try it anyway?
Yeah. I do taste the mango in there, but it's not,
It's not super
as
strong, yeah.
you would want it to be, but it's still good.
Before we were doing this marriage devotional, which we have now finished, we were reading through Ezra together. So we're probably not going to read that out loud to you guys because that would be kind of long. We'll just come in with some takeaways when we're done. So I guess as a little recap first, in Ezra, God's people are returning from exile and they get to rebuild the temple, which is like their place of worship, and they have permission to do that from the king, but then they have to stop, which we just found out was for 15 years. Now they're restarting again.
Then in this chapter, there's these other prophets, which is also in the Bible, who convicted the people to start building the temple again. But then this is all, the key takeaway from this one is that it says here in Ezra 5 verse 5 that God was watching over them. The building did not stop until the report could be sent to the king, and that's a long time, because like back then, how the letter had to go there to the king, then he would have to make a decision, and then he had to send that back. So there's still all that time. Like the Lord provides for that, and He provides the perfect timing. We're looking at a commentary, and like at this time, the king was also dealing with war at this time, so he would be very busy. And this was just like the Lord
didn't care.
Yeah, the Lord was providing like all these things happening in this perfect timing. Thinking about the 15 years these people here, the Jews, were praying for this to happen. And it took a long time, and then it happened in this perfect timing.
Yeah, so when we were reading in that other prophet, Haggai, when he was basically saying that people at that time were just like, oh, God's timing hasn't come yet to rebuild the temple. And then Haggai convicted them, like, really? You guys are living in luxurious houses and your place of worship is just in ruins? And then they started rebuilding. And because it was God speaking through Haggai and God wanted them to change their hearts and rebuild, we read in Ezra, He was with them. And I think that's also comforting for now to know that if God convicts us of something and it may be difficult and like it may mean we have to change our hearts and change our actions, that also means that He's going to be with us in what He's calling us to do, and that we can like trust His presence when we're doing that. We're almost fully packed here. Just finishing up, and then we're off to the airport. Chocolate from the chocolate museum, the one he made.
Yes, I think with pecans, yeah. I like it. It's strong.
I only got this little piece.
It's strong.
It was strong. It tastes darker than most 70% dark chocolate.
I would say so.
Now it's the coffee side.
Coffee side.
Which one you like better?
Hard to tell. I think this one, the Guatemalan snacks that we wanted to do a segment on. This one is a lot like Nagaraya, so you can check the Nagaraya video that we did. It tastes a lot like it. And here we go. The pitas. What chips were they?
Yuca.
Yuca chips. They're not bad. They just taste like average shit.